I'm the founder of Chase Group Construction. We've been here for about 14 years and we're proud to be in Acadiana serving the commercial construction business. I grew up in the construction business. My dad owned a construction business my entire life, so I was exposed to it early on. Coming from Morgan City, coming up to Lafayette, we realized that Lafayette was a great place. It was a growing industry. It's one of the best places to grow your business, raise your family. And so we're here to develop property. We're here to build, we're here to help design. So we want to take all those things and bring them into one spot.
I kept seeing all these blue signs that said Chase Construction Group on them. I said, I need to call this guy because he has some unique designs for his buildings. And I called him up, and this guy was so friendly to talk to. It made me feel like he was a friend of mine, and that's what started the process up. We're getting ready to break ground probably within the next few days, so we're really, really excited.
I had a pretty complex project out here. I bought the property and we got 2 houses that need to be remodeled, and I had a lot of people that wouldn't touch it. One night I got online and got with Chase, and he returned my email the next day and we started talking. He gave me a bid, and it's been a great pleasure ever since then. We had the plans and I had the bid, and it was a little bit over my budget, what I was really looking for, and in my brain what I was wanting to spend. So I called Chase and I said, look, it's a little bit high. And he said, look, Darren, let's get together. We went to his office, we met, and he went through piece by piece, room by room, and took out all the stuff that we could I guess, flex on. Things that were in code, but we could go to not poor quality, but better price. And I was pleased with it. A lot of that went on, so I was very pleased with it.
We focus on helping customers really see their vision through a project. When a customer comes to us, we want them to feel that they're at a place where they can get everything done in one spot, because we can. We assist in the design build process, which means we take care of the design, the management, the construction, the permitting, the whole 9 yards is through our company.
Chase has helped us find the land. He's helped us develop the land to getting the approvals through the city. The permitting was the biggest holdup for us, and that's a huge thing for a developer. The reason we bought the land is the previous guy said he wanted to develop it and couldn't get the permitting. Well, Chase actually got it done for us. He knows the architects, he knows the engineers to get in touch with, who's going to help us on cost. And then the construction, that's easy for Chase. That's where he knows best. Instead of having to call a developer, real estate agent, construction guy, Chase does it all.
What we decided to go with Chase because the way he provides customer service. He spent pretty much a massive amount of time helping us estimate bidding and all that. So I mean, overall, we feel like he's really followed up and he's trying to on top of the estimating. So that's why we feel like, yeah, this is the right company for us, you know. One of the things that we didn't catch at the beginning during the design phase is the AC with the insulation. We did not have any idea about how well the building would be insulated. So after Chase advised us, you know, based on his experience, that yeah, we should add this insulation type for the temperature control. So definitely now we very, very thankful that he brought that idea up.
Each property is different. Your property may be better suited for retail, and the one that's 2 miles down the street may be better suited for industrial. If you own a piece of land, or if you want to find a piece of land, we can help you find it, determine what's the highest and best use. We can help you build it, and we can also help you lease it out to a new tenant. And that's a long-term investment that will bring you money for years to come. We really enjoy taking a building from a scratch of paper and bringing it to life and really giving them a building they enjoy.
I've seen his hard work with trying to get things moving through the building process, and I know that he has our back. For my next commercial project, I promise you, I'll be calling Chase Landry with Chase Construction Group.